Yo, what's up guys? I just got a package in the mail. I was just wiring up my reverse camera on my truck, and I think I ordered this about probably 2 days ago, I guess. And it's already here, so I'm super stoked. Basically, this is a new micro sub from JL Audio. It's an active sub, so I don't have to buy an amp. It's already like wired in there with it. So I'm pretty excited to open this actually. These are kind of pricey, but I hear is the best quality. I got two 6.5s in my truck right now for the doors, and I just love them, man. It already sounds like there's a sub in there just with the speakers, so I'm pretty excited here. I'm gonna try to put this camera down so I can actually lift this up and show you guys. 1 second. Alright, so get a instruction manual and some wires, a sticker, a little tag here. What's this? Some spacers so it doesn't get broken. Alright, dude, I am stoked. I wanted to buy these from the actual shop because I saw there's a lot of people getting fake ones in the mail, and I did not want any part of that, so I went ahead and bought it from the actual JL Audio website. It got here pretty quick from some kind of handler. Dude, this is sick. Hell yeah. So it's a ported box. It's a 12-inch sub, and it has the amp already built into it right here, as you can see. So this is gonna be badass. I'm gonna go install this now and see how it sounds.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man. I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man. Them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata